What's going on, YouTube? So check it out, right? I've been looking at my YouTube data, all right? And I want to say first, if you are watching this video right now, okay, and you like this video, then do me a favor and click subscribe. And the reason why I say that is because there's a lot of people that watch my videos, all right, but they don't subscribe. Sometimes some people even like the video, but they don't subscribe. And the reason why I say that is because 98% of the people that watch my video are not subscribed to my channel. Okay, only 2% that subscribe to me watch my video. Okay, most of them. Okay, so what I'm saying is there's a lot of people that watch my video that like it, but they don't want to subscribe. Okay, it's not that the video is whack. All my videos are dope, and I know you know that. I know that. You understand what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is, if you like the video, if you watched it and you liked it, don't just go, yeah, let me watch another video of his. And now subscribe. Do me a favor, subscribe. So today I'm here to review the Jordan 720 Aerospace, black, silver, reflective, red, the two-tone. You know what I mean? You got the red in one, and then you got the blue in one, reflective, right? Let's take a look at these things. Let's see what it looks like. So this is it right here, all right, guys? You got the black, red reflective, and you got the black, blue reflective, all right? They both have the 720 bubbles, all right? The tallest air unit you can get, all right? Sole's made of rubber. Let me show you the bottom. They got the red Jordan logo on one with the Paris Saint-Germain logo around that Jordan, and they also got the blue Jordan logo on this one with the Paris Saint-Germain logo around that Jordan logo, all right? These right here goes for $170, all right? But depending where you're at, okay, wherever country you live in, depending where you're at, it could vary from 100 to 160, maybe even 90, you know what I'm saying? Because you can catch it on sale. You understand what I'm saying? So I can't really tell you what price it is, but however, let me tell you about the quality of these kicks though. They are very comfortable. They got the 720 bubble units, the most comfortable air unit, the tallest air unit you can have. All right, I've talked about this on my other videos doing the Air Max 720. I said this before. If you are a guy, all right, and you are short in height and you want to look taller, get the Air Max 720 818. All right, it'll make you look taller. It's the tallest air unit that you can get. The bubbles in the 720 818 is the same bubbles they have on it. The tallest air unit. They're comfortable, they're bouncy, they're springy, all that good stuff. You understand what I'm saying? These right here are very comfortable. You could use it to play ball, and you could walk around with it every day casually if you wanted to. They are very comfortable. New material, new technologies. This new Jordans right here are starting to be made with different materials. I like it. I love it. You understand what I'm saying? And I definitely love these. You understand what I'm saying? And as you can see, the tongue right there, I think those are reflective right there. That's definitely reflective. I also think those are reflective right there. You know what I'm saying? The Jordan. This is dope right here. I love these right here. It's Paris Saint-Germain. Tell me, guys, what do you think about these? Would you cop these or would you drop these? I love them. You know what I'm saying? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, you already know what to do. I talked about it already. Subscribe, all right? If you like this video, subscribe. And if you're not new to this channel, please click that like button, click that share button. I appreciate everybody here. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with some Saint-Germains on. PSG 720 Aerospace Jordan, or maybe not, or maybe else, or maybe I'm gonna catch you with something else on. Who knows? One of these.